So this left side I have the warehouse building. Okay, here we have one area, empty space. We can see we have the lines. Let's talk about the yard management. These boxes, white color lines we see here we park the vehicles, transportable units, trucks or some kind of small loading containers like vehicles. And whenever we design in the architecture, whenever we design or configure the yard management, one rule, one formula I will tell you, which is the very important. Warehouse building says, hey outside storage, hey yard management, or hey yard area, hey empty storage area. If you want to do any movement in this entire area, you have to link with me. This warehouse building says, hey entire yard area, hey entire empty area outside the yard or the storage. If you want to park any vehicle here, movement, vehicle will come, transportable unit will come, we park here, we wait before unloading or after unloading, we wait here, because if we go here we have the checkout point. From that side we have the check-in gate, checkout point. So guys, in that situation, this warehouse building says, in the architecture level, I'm trying to explain you, understand, entire this area we have to link with the warehouse. Then system will understand, SAP system will understand, okay, this entire area belongs to this particular warehouse storage. Because sometimes what happens, in the big space we can have the multiple warehouses storage, 1 building, 2 building, 3 building. So we need to linkage, and I will show you here. If you see here, these are the boxes, right? This is a parking zone. This entire each box, when we define into the SAP systems, even in my specialization books, I explain very well, deeply, theoretically, and the configuration side. These boxes, this one box, example, one box, okay, one box. This is the warehouse storage building, and here I am standing. So this is the one box. We consider temporary storage type, temporary storage section, temporary storage bin. Where I am standing right now, see, where I am standing right now, this is the storage type, this is the storage section, this is an storage bin. Okay, because we have the rule, storage type contains always storage section contains storage bin. So I am explaining you here first the outside the warehouse. Okay, so we have more inside more processes. Okay, so this is, we consider parking zone area as an storage type section bin or staging area where we stage something. This is a parking area, we have empty space here where we stage the boxes, okay, or handling unit. I will show you one more thing here, come with me. And if we see here, I will show you another type of the storage type, section bin, which is the parking area. See this. If you see here, we have the different design, but those are also the boxes where we park the vehicles. Why we have this? Because this is also we consider storage type section and bin, which is the temporary, not permanent, because here we park the vehicle temporary purposes until loading or unloading won't be completed. Okay, let's come with me. I will show you one more thing. So here, my dear friends, Here we see one of the door. It's a very big door actually. Let me explain you from here. So this is we consider as a door. Okay, this is the door. The door, see carefully here. Now I will explain you one more point. We can see the door is visible from here to my camera. Simplest way, you will understand the businesses. Whenever we work with the complex yard management, if you're looking for specialization, yard management books, I have my own written books, specialization into the yard management, some of the topics into the yard logistics too. Okay, so this door, inbound or outbound, loading unloading door would be different. Like for some doors we have for loading, some doors we have for unloading, or the same door sometimes we perform as a into the loading and unloading purposes. So this door we consider as an storage type, storage section, storage bin. The standard number of the inbound side doors in the warehouse or the into the extended warehouse management, we have the door number is the 9030. Okay, so this is the door, this is the door. For an example, this is the door, this is the door. Okay, this is the door. Standard number is the 9030. Same rule, if you have the storage type temporary or permanent, the rule says storage type contains storage section. Storage section always contains storage bins. 1 bin, 2 bin, depends upon the size of the bin. 1 meter bin, 2 meter bin, 3 meter bin, 4 meter bin, 5 meter bin, 6 meter bin, depends. But basic business says the same thing. So this door is, we have temporary storage type, number is the inbound side. For an example, this is for loading or unloading. We have the loading, unloading. This door is for the unloading purposes and this is we consider as an inbound door. So it has number 9030 inbound side, and every storage type contains storage section. Section is 0001 standard number, very simple. Bin, the door is like for an example, it's due to some like privacy, so it's a door number, I can say here number 2. So this is the door, we have the door name, door 2 or just 2 or A2 or 0002, depends upon the number. So this 2 number 002 A02 we consider as a bin. Okay, whenever we design the complex, I have the specialization book, I will show you, complex yard management process, then these doors we have to link with this entire boundary to the yard. Okay, so warehouse we link to the outside area. Okay, because how the warehouse building will come to know this is my place, we need to tell everything to system. We communicate, we speak with the SAP systems, we tell to the systems each and every small place in the warehouse, we have to say to the system. So this door, temporary storage type section when I explain, the parking zone I have shown you, it's a temporary, door is also temporary, storage type section bin, and I see outside the door area where we perform the unloading, where we unload and put the handling unit here, boxes here, okay, like these. This is the staging area we consider. See, staging area, we can put a chair here or directly unload inside we have the empty space here, or depends how we perform the businesses. So this is the basic thing. So in my trainings, consulting, supports, my books, I will show you my books, because I already gave a lots of free books to my students, and also some of I have the premium books, and some, like I have the paid resume consultations, like if someone wants to improve in the resume. So I carry the covers. Actually it's a very lightweight and multiple books cover. It's an easy to be shown. So I have, my dear friends, here different books which are written by me, and those are the copyrighted books, and those are, we have the barcodes here. This is the genuine original barcodes, okay, ISBN numbers here. This is the physical inventory specialization book, okay. If you're looking for physical inventory, these are the book. Like similar, I have book in basic to advanced, all the levels. I will show you one by one as much as possible. Java PLC integration book. We have architecture, CCC, NNN, okay, whenever we are going to design storage type section bin, okay, these are the best book. And I'm the author. We have the different parts, okay. Stock removal strategy, configuration guide, process flow, FIFO, LIFO, first in first out, last in first out, warehouse structure simplified, and integration specialization books into the quality management, production planning, transport management, production system or project system we call, okay, or plant maintenance. We have more integration, EWM, ERP integration, EWM, S/4HANA integrations. Those are my book. Warehouse order creation rules, okay. Optimize picking processes. Technical side specialization books. Automatic replenishment, planned replenishments, more books. Resource management, I'm going to show you now. This is my resource management specialization book, okay. And outbound delivery process with the RFUI, stock transport order book, okay. I'm the author of all these books. Advanced vendor return process, advanced return processes. More books like values for the warehouse orders, limit the values, different kind of storage types. We have pallet storage type. This is specialization into the bulk storage types. Fixed storage bin strategy in depth. RFUI, serial shipper container code, European article number, batches, expiration date, integration, operations, okay. So these are the specialization book I have, and I have lots of book. I will show you one by one, okay. So how the remote function call works, okay, in the behind the system, in the vein of the systems, okay, in the both the layers. Because whenever we work with the S/4HANA embedded or like a system or decentralized or S/4HANA embedded, behind we have the two server or systems, two layers, business layers, ERP or EWM, okay. Both combination will become, that's why we call embedded, okay. So I have lots of books, more books, advanced production integration specialization books. This is an exceptional books where you can find more in depth. So out of the configurations, a lot of things are there. Lots of things are there. Business understandable. Like I explained, this is the 0.01%. It's a very small, but a lots of things I have mentioned, I have explained in my books also. Okay, the business, how business happens. Randomly I'm picking the books. So layout oriented storage control with the queue processes. How we manage the queues. Okay. So this is just a brief, like master data handling unit management, HU master, or for an example, if you're looking for kit to order, kit to stock in depth with the real-time business processes. Okay, just a moment please. So guys, let me show you more things here. So now I will show you explain you the staging area. We have we call staging area. I am going to show you, which is also one type of temporary storage type. We consider storage section and storage bin. I am going to show you. Okay.